What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. We're taking a look at Quant on the daily time frame. The thing that is popping out to me the most, of course, is this range low that we're still above, which is bullish. However, of course, we've been talking about on this channel for a long while. When people were talking about this M, I gave the ascending triangle, but we prepared for the M. Then we went a little bit higher. We started coming back down. We failed to hold these EMAs and we started coming back down to this range low, or this support you can say, and we double bottomed. So that's beautiful because we're now above these EMAs as support, and we're trying to climb back up to validate this double bottom by breaking above this $130 neckline on the daily time frame, close above it, to continue up higher with a potential target at around in and around 187, 185, this key resistance over here going forward. However, this is not the only thing that is, in front of my eyes. We did prepare for the bearish pattern over here, the potential M, but it's now, as you can see, if we do not continue to break this high of $116, this wick high over here, you can potentially see that this is some sort of right shoulder over here, and we have a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. I've spoken about this on the quant chart before. We've also been talking about the head and shoulders we're seeing on what was it, Bitcoin, of course, with the 14k target. Go check out today's Bitcoin update. I'm also going to be bringing out a new update today on a Twitter React sort of thing. So every so often, or every time we see something crazy on Bitcoin or on crypto, we can discuss about it on Twitter as a community. So I asked for your opinions on Twitter. Make sure you're following me there. Let's push for 1.5k followers over there. I think I wrote, what were your thoughts on yesterday's close below, but the current reclaim of that low, unconfirmed reclaim. So yeah, I'll bring out a video on that very soon after this. But also I have a 50% discount on the course lasting until Monday. If you want more information about it, head over to my Twitter, again, Louis_crypto, and private message me there where I can send you more info. But briefly, it's down from 300 to 150. You get the Discord group chat free until my bull market targets. There's over £10,000 of info and 4 years of experience. You get 6 hours of content in 30 plus videos, which you have for life. So yeah, there is more information on what is exactly in the course. But yeah, you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. Just private message me and get this deal, and yeah, get started before Monday, before prices go back to £300. Thank you. But yeah, we're seeing this head and shoulders pattern. Our target is back to this double bottom neckline. There's not much more to say other than that, guys. Again, holding above $83 is bullish. That is what is keeping us bullish and having this potential of heading up and validating this W pattern, but also breaking out of this much larger inverse head and shoulders we've been talking about on the channel. If you're new here, we've been speaking about this over the last weeks. If you weren't back here in January or December last year, I was actually able to give this whole dump down to here through calling this head and shoulders, and now what I'm calling is this inverse head and shoulders that actually has a target all the way back up to the previous all-time high in around $370 to $400. However, this target is not valid as of yet. You need to break and close above this neckline, and if we were to see this double bottom play out and break above this neckline, you see you would be above this descending red resistance, and this descending red resistance is the neckline out of this inverse head and shoulders over here. So if we can come up and break this, back test it as support, break out of here as well, back test this double bottoms neckline as support, we would be reclaiming the bear market level I was able to give you. As if we lose this, yeah, we're effed. And so yeah, if we can ever reclaim this, that is where we're going to attack this head and shoulders neckline, and that is going to be a very key resistance. The range of 130 to 150, this red box, is key resistance. That's why when we tapped it, we came back down, but holding the range low. Let's continuously hold the range low, because this is support, and if it's support, it's the bottom of the market and we should head up. The only key resistance is that descending one around 120 is where we want to close above, but also we want to break out of this double bottom neckline over here, and that is around $130. If we can do so, that is beautiful. But again, my focus at the moment is seeing if Quant can actually close daily candles consistently above $83, because again, although Quant is holding up nice at the moment, Again, it's all on Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin were to lose this low, 18.6k, again, go check out that update. Like this one, like that one. Share them if you can as well. Leave a comment if you found value. But even if Quant right now is looking bullish, holding up nicely, it broke above, you know, it was in this previous range over here, or this level, and it went up a level, it went up a range. So that's showing you something is bullish, at least from the low over here. So if you want to see continuation of that, technically you need Bitcoin to continuously hold the low as well, because if eventually Bitcoin does go lower than 18.6k, it has closed today, let's see if it can reclaim it. Go check out today's video, it's so key. But if Bitcoin eventually rolls over and loses the low, Quant will eventually follow. I know it seems like it's doing its own thing, but in reality, guys, we know Bitcoin is the key, is the deciding factor. And if Bitcoin is just going to keep rolling over, eventually Quant and the likes of Ripple and Binance and Polygon Matic, they all will eventually as well. And Atom, Cosmos Atom and AVAX, all these coins that have pumped up first, Ethereum, they will all go lower if Bitcoin does. So it's very vital, okay, that Bitcoin holds this low, because if not, if we are seeing Bitcoin lose the low and then Quant losing $83, that's a big signal that we are actually going to see this downside to minimum back down to here. And again, I've spoken many times on the channel how this potentially might not hold as support because it was never confirmed as support in the first place. So this is the big risk going forward, and that's why I got taken a piss out for these bearish targets down here. But again, I'm just going to prepare you guys, this is not going to happen whatsoever as long as we're above $37. But yeah, what is an early sign that we could be heading down there if we're losing this psychological support, which I'm personally anticipating to hold? But again, that's as of now. I'm not seeing anything to tell me we are going below $50. If we get down there and there are signs we're going to lose it, I'll let you know. But again, I can't tell you as of now. I wish I could, but no one in the market has that. Don't forget, we've also got that 50% off offer until Monday, lasting until Monday. The course is down from £300 all the way to £150. It has got 4 years of experience in the market, £10,000 of that I had to go through, whether that was good courses, bad courses, scams such as master account management, signals, but also good mentorship as well. It took me all of that and the 4 years to get the information I have today. I'm going to go through psychology with you, how to control your emotions, how to avoid trading, these sorts of things, how to plan, how to make a plan. Also, there are strategies that I completely made by myself through the experience in the market, as well as strategies that were taught to me. Everything you need to turn from a beginner, intermediate, and into an advanced trader. Thank you guys so much. Again, let's get this video to over 100 likes. We're on the road to 5k subscribers. Let's please push for that. Leave a comment if you found value, and don't forget, I am going to be bringing out another video. I am going to be bringing out another video today on the Twitter reacting to this crazy close below 18.6k for Bitcoin. Don't forget to please go over and watch the Bitcoin video as well. Peace.